The community in Marinette, Wisconsin had a great need: easier access to state-of-the-art health care. Built in 1939, the original Bay Area Medical Center Hospital had an inefficient layout, which impacted patient experience, workflow, and implementation of new technology. The replacement hospital is a 335,000 square foot hospital, cancer center, and medical office building on a 92-acre rural setting. The project area consisted of 3 types of land, all which posed obstacles. When the building could not be oriented around the wetlands, an extensive DNR process was required to fill them in. Money saved from this process was reinvested to create another wetland in Wisconsin. Work was modified to protect the endangered animal species inhabiting the surrounding forest. Excavated dirt was stopped from contaminating creeks that ran through nearby farmers' cornfields. The project team was tasked with adding $6 million of scope without increasing budget. By using integrated lean project delivery, or ILPD, and an integrated form of agreement, or IFOA, the team was able to absorb the scope change and deliver the project on time and under budget. Autodesk BIM 360 Field, or A360, a cloud-based management software with real-time document control, was piloted for the first time on a Boldt project. As part of the A360 pilot, the construction team had a daily issues call with the design team throughout the project duration. Electrical and plumbing prefabrication areas were created directly on site for easy problem solving and time efficiency. Instead of all trade partners being responsible for their own lifts, a shared lift agreement reduced cost and fully utilized all the lifts brought to the job site, saving nearly $100,000. 3.2 million pounds of material were recycled throughout the project's duration. A combination of condensing boilers and heat recovery chillers will save almost 30% of the annual heating bill. Active chilled beams reduce airflow by more than 50% to conserve electricity and heating energy. There was no lost work time with over 850,000 hours worked. There was a concentrated effort to engage the local workforce and businesses. Throughout construction, 20% of the overall project was spent locally.